Fungi. You might just think of them as mushrooms, or something from high school biology. Or maybe if you watch the HBO hit show The Last of Us, you might think of them as a monstrosity that can take over the world. Yet The Last of Us got it just a bit wrong. Not because fungal takeovers are impossible, but because they're already here. Just not the way HBO showed you. Beneath nearly every forest on Earth lies a hidden network that's been operating for over 400 million years. It's called the mycorrhizal network, and it connects trees through underground threads of fungi known as mycelium. The word mycorrhiza literally means fungus root, and that's exactly what it is. Fungi intertwined with the roots of almost every plant on the planet. Think of it as nature's original internet, a living web where trees exchange nutrients, transmit chemical signals, and share critical warnings about threats. This symbiotic relationship works as follows. Plants produce sugars through photosynthesis and channel them to the fungi. In return, fungi tap into water and minerals locked deep in the soil, resources plant roots could never access alone. It's so essential that some scientists argue plants couldn't have colonized land without it. And this network operates on an even greater level. For example, when a tree comes under attack from pests, it releases chemical distress signals through the mycelium. Neighboring trees receive these warnings and begin producing defensive compounds before the threat even reaches them. It's a biological early warning system, refined over hundreds of millions of years. And there's even more. Older mother trees can use this fungal network to transfer carbon to younger seedlings struggling in the shadows, feeding them until they're strong enough to survive on their own. You might ask yourself why this matters. The reality is, we built our understanding of nature on competition, survival of the fittest, every organism for itself. But the mycorrhizal network reveals something fundamentally different: interdependence. Forests don't function as battlegrounds. They function as communities. And in typical human fashion, we're systematically destroying this network. Modern agriculture, deforestation, and soil disruption sever these fungal connections. Monoculture crops, they eliminate native mycorrhiza entirely, and this forces us to replace natural systems with synthetic fertilizers. Every time we break these underground links, we become more dependent on artificial alternatives that can never fully replicate what evolution spent 400 million years perfecting. But there's a shift happening. Scientists are now working to restore what we've damaged. They're developing fungal inoculants, concentrated, beneficial fungi, to rehabilitate degraded soil, accelerate reforestation, and increase carbon sequestration. The same network that enabled plants to conquer Earth might now be critical to healing it. So the next time you walk through a forest, consider what's happening beneath you. With every step, millions of invisible threads are carrying nutrients, transmitting information, and maintaining balance. An entire hidden world holding ecosystems together. You might think of fungi as something random from biology, or one of the best toppings on pizza, or even as a threat to humanity. The reality is fungi have been essential to life on Earth all along, silently shaping every forest, every ecosystem, and every breath of oxygen we take.